Dear brothers and sisters, citizens of Meghalaya, citizens of India, and people of the whole world, at the humble request and invitation of the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, India, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, we, the children of AKWAABA family, Warbah NONGKREM, Meghalaya, join the state of Meghalaya, praying to God for healing this Easter Sunday, the 12th of April 2020, as we light the candle which represents Jesus Christ, the light of the world and the victor over all powers of evil and death. And we invite you to join us in our prayer as we sing this song, People of Meghalaya. People of Meghalaya, we cry and pray. God, a loving Father, hear and save us today. God, our Father, as we bow before you in prayer, we have come to thank you for your love and care. Lord, heal our state. Lord, heal our land. Come deliver us with your protecting hand. Lord, heal our world. Lord, hear us, so that we all may be free from coronavirus. With our state right now, all people turn to you. With the help of your great grace, all things we can do. And we beg you to forgive the wrong we've done. Help our people of the world with you to be one. Lord, heal our state. Lord, heal our land. Come deliver us with your protecting hand. Lord, heal our world. Lord, hear us, so that we all may be free from coronavirus. May the healing touch of Jesus Christ our Lord, to the victims who are affected, speak his word of joy and consolation, may they hear. Jesus risen, Lord, to them, come and be near. Lord, heal our state. Lord, heal our land. Come deliver us with your protecting hand. Lord, heal our world. Lord, hear us, so that we all may be free from coronavirus. Lord, heal our state. Lord, heal our land. Come deliver us with your protecting hand. Lord,